So when you hit login, it's going to take you here. It is free for kid, parent, and educator alike, although the process of creating an account is different for each. So as an educator, I would complete this file. When I hit next, it's going to ask me to put in what school I belong to. This goes hand in hand with the GoNoodle Plus, which I will discuss in the next video. If you're a parent, it will just ask you to create a family account. Simple because it's free. Kid, it will do the same thing. So I'm going to hit login over here because I already have an account. Just a minute. Okay. So now it takes me here.